Rhythmic workshops. My name is Rachel and I am a musician, and I love helping people discover different ways of making sounds. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a simple drum using any object that you can find lying around your home, your school, or wherever you may find yourself. So by the end of this video you should be able to create your own rhythmic patterns on your own set of drums. So I have here a selection of different things that I have just found around my house. I've got cardboard boxes of different sizes. I've got a bucket from the garden, which I have cleaned. I've got an old ice cream container. You know, I've got Tupperware containers here. Okay. You know, you just need a hollow, non-breakable container. And also have the owner's permission before you use it. It doesn't matter what size. You can have small ones, you can have big ones. Actually, if you have different sizes of objects, you know, that's great because they might make a slightly different sound. Next, you will need some drumsticks. You can use proper drumsticks if you have them. If you don't, I've got some wooden spoons, make sure they're the same length. I've got some pens, you can use knitting needles, you can even use your hands and feet. But if you struggle to use your hands or feet to make a sound on your object, ask someone to help you do it. If you can hold a drum, they can be your hands and feet, and you can hear and feel the noise that your drum makes. Other things that you can use is like blankets or tea towels. Okay, they're great for changing the sound of your drum, so you might want to play around with them. So, in a minute, pause this video and go and find your equipment. When you have everything you want, you can then restart the video and we can get creating with some sounds. Right, so you should all have your equipment ready. So depending on the size of your drum, you can place it on a table, sit in a chair, have it on your lap or between your legs. Or you can sit with it on the floor. If you have sticks, you need to hold them between your thumb and your index finger, roughly in the middle of your stick. The stick needs to bounce nicely in your hand. So now you're ready to make a noise on your drums. So grab your drum and then try hitting. On the drum, on the side, or the corners. Does the sound change at all? Try hitting softly. Try hitting loudly. If you have a tea towel, you can place it on top of your drum and see how the sound changes. What does it do to the sound? Does it make it a little bit softer? You can also put a tea towel or a towel inside a drum and see if it changes the sound. If you have another drum, then see how that sounds. This is a plastic drum and it sounds a bit different. So just play around with your drums and see what kind of sounds you can get. Okay, so you should have now played around with your drums and seen what kind of sounds you can make with it. First of all, we're going to teach the first rhythm, a very simple one. Can you count to 4? That's all you need to do for the moment. So we're going to take our right hand, in the middle of our drum we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, so I think that's a little bit too easy. So we're going to go a bit quicker. Okay, so we're going to go, using both sticks, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, let's do that together. Off we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Got that? Okay, a little bit quicker. Off we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to do 4 on the top of the drums, 4 on the side of the drum. Okay, and we're just going to keep repeating a couple of times. Off we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Good. Okay, so if you need a little bit more practice with that one, you can pause this video and keep practicing it. Once you've mastered it, come back and we'll learn the next rhythm together. So are you ready to learn the next rhythm? Okay, this next rhythm has a phrase to go with it. And it goes, high summer sun boom. I'm going to say it through twice. High summer sun boom. High summer sun boom. Can you say it with me through twice? Off we go. High summer sun boom. High summer sun boom. Good. Okay, so we use our right hand on top of the box, our left hand on the side of the box. I'm using my hands this time instead of the sticks, but you can still use sticks if you want them. Okay, so we've got high summer sun boom. High summer sun boom. Okay, are you ready to do it with me? We'll do it through 3 times. Off we go. High summer sun boom. High summer sun boom. High summer sun boom. Good. Ready to do it a little bit faster. Off we go. High summer sun boom. Good. Okay, so you might need a little bit of practice with that. So what you can do is you can re-watch the video, stop the video and just practice it through. When you're ready, come back and we will do the final rhythm together. Okay, so are you ready to go through the final rhythm? I'm going to use my box again. I'm going to put it in between my legs this time, okay? And then I'm going to use my sticks. I'm going to demonstrate this rhythm first before I teach it to you. So listen and watch carefully. Okay. So let's do it together slowly. So right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 1, 2. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2. Okay, let's try that one more time, just a tiny bit faster. Off we go. Right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2. Okay. So just watch the counting. Our right only hits for one beat, and then our left hand does two lots where it does it 5 times. So go left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's actually 5 hits in one go. So that does it twice in a row, and then your left hand does left, 1, 2 on the final kind of sequence. Okay, let's try it one more time, and that speed we just done. Up we go, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, how are you doing with that one? Do you want to try a little bit faster? Okay, I'm not going to count this right time. Okay, off we go. Good. Were you able to keep up? Okay, don't worry about it if you couldn't. Okay, you can always have another bit of practice on this. Now, I've taught you how to make your own drums, how to explore different ways of getting different sounds from your drums, and I've shown you a couple of rhythmic patterns. I want you to go away and create your own drumming patterns. You can do this with a friend, or you can do it on your own. You can do it with one drum or with 10. It's completely up to you what you do. You can film yourself playing your own creations on your drums, and you can share it on Facebook and Instagram by tagging Make or by using the hashtag #TheBigMake. Thank you so much for taking part in this workshop. I do hope you enjoyed it.